Dear students, welcome to the next lecture on organic chemistry. In the last lecture, we have discussed about the mechanisms of aromatic electrophilic nitration and aromatic electrophilic bromination. In this lecture, we shall discuss about the mechanism of aromatic electrophilic sulfonation and Friedel-Crafts alkylation and acylation. In aromatic sulfonation reaction, benzene is treated with fuming sulfuric acid and we get benzene sulfonic acid as the product. The mechanism involves 4 steps. The first step is the generation of electrophile, as what we have seen in aromatic nitration and halogenation. Sulfuric acid undergoes autoionization to give H3SO4 plus and HSO4 minus. H3SO4 plus decomposes to give H3O plus plus SO3. Here SO3 is the electrophile. In the previous cases, the electrophile carried a positive charge. Here SO3 is a neutral molecule. In SO3, the sulfur is attached to 3 oxygen atoms and the oxygen atoms are highly electronegative. The central sulfur atom becomes the electrophilic center because it is attached to 3 electronegative oxygen atoms. The structure of SO3 is shown here. In the second step, the electrophile SO3 attacks the benzene ring to form a pi complex which then changes to a sigma complex which is resonance stabilized. The resonance structures are shown here. Here, as the electrophile is totally neutral, SO3, there is a minus charge for SO3 in the resonance stabilized structures. In the previous cases, in the sigma complex, there was no charge when the electrophile bonds with the benzene ring. Here the sigma complex is totally neutral. In the previous cases, the sigma complex was positively charged. The hybrid structure is shown here. In step 3, the base abstracts a proton from the sigma complex to give benzene sulfonate ion. In the last step, the benzene sulfonate ion accepts a proton to give the final product benzene sulfonic acid. In the previous cases, there were only 3 steps in the mechanism, that is generation of the electrophile, formation of the pi complex which changes to the sigma complex, and loss of proton. But in this sulfonation mechanism, there is an additional step, that is acceptance of a proton to form the final product, benzene sulfonic acid. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction, in which benzene reacts with an alkyl halide to give alkyl benzene. For example, if benzene reacts with methyl chloride in the presence of AlCl3, we get CH3 substituted benzene, that is toluene. If we take ethyl chloride instead of methyl chloride, the product obtained is ethyl benzene. And benzene reacts with isopropyl chloride to give isopropyl benzene. The molecule is otherwise called cumene. Coming to the mechanism, the first step is the generation of electrophile. The alkyl halide RCl reacts with AlCl3 to give AlCl4 minus and R plus, which is the electrophile. In the second step, the electrophile attacks the benzene ring to form the pi complex, which changes to the sigma complex, which is resonance stabilized. The resonance structures are represented here. The hybrid structure can be represented like this, in which the positive charge is delocalized across the 5 carbons, except the carbon to which the electrophile is attached. In the last step, a proton is lost from the sigma complex by the attack of a base, and we get alkyl benzene as the product. If we take N-propyl chloride as the initial alkyl halide, we will expect that the product obtained after Friedel-Crafts alkylation is N-propyl benzene. But experiments have shown that this is the minor product, because the generated electrophile, which is N-propyl cation, undergoes a rearrangement to give isopropyl cation. So CH3, CH2, CH2 plus, which is a primary cation, undergoes 1,2 hydride shift. That is, the hydrogen of the second carbon will shift towards the first carbon, and we get a secondary carbocation which is much more stable than the primary carbocation. Here the obtained secondary carbocation is isopropyl cation, CH3, CH plus, CH3. And this secondary carbocation acts as the electrophile, and we get isopropyl benzene as the major product and N-propyl benzene as the minor product. So if there is a possibility of rearrangement to give a more stable R plus cation, the R plus cation or the electrophile will rearrange to the more stable form, which gives the major product, and the initial form will give the minor product. Next is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Acyl group means R-C double bond O group. So acyl chloride means RCOCl. Benzene when reacts with acyl halide gives acyl benzene. So if we take acetyl chloride CH3COCl, we get acetophenone. It is C6H5COCH3. The reaction of benzene with acetic anhydride in the presence of AlCl3 will also give acetophenone as the product. Here RCO plus is the electrophile. In the first step, the electrophile is generated when RCOCl reacts with AlCl3. RCOCl plus AlCl3 gives AlCl4 minus and RCO plus, which is the electrophile. The acyl carbocation is resonance stabilized. The resonance structures are shown here. In the second step, the electrophile attacks the benzene ring to give the pi complex, which changes to the sigma complex and is resonance stabilized. In the final step, the base AlCl4 minus abstracts a proton from the sigma complex to give acyl benzene. This is the mechanism of Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction.